Today I will be showing you how to make another personalized like and subscribe button. So this is how it will look like. So now we will start making it. First we will open, as usual, we will make it in PowerPoint. So we will need PowerPoint. It's better to use the latest version. Now we go to new slide, home new slide, and give a background. So I will format background. And give it the green screen effect. And there are some things which we need, like these I have already taken, the like and the bell icon. I'm going to just paste it. Now since the animations were already shown, so I will remove them so that I can show you how to give the animations again. The thumbs up and bell icon is ready. And now we got the rounded rectangle, the red rounded rectangle, or whatever color you want. Go to insert, shapes, choose your shape, and then go to format, shape fill, and shape out. Now we will need another small size of the same figure, shape. So we will go to insert, shapes, and choose the rounded rectangle again. Shape fill, format, and the format option shape fill is white, and shape outline will also be white. And then you want to write the word inside, so I go to insert, choose the text box option and click inside the white box, and then choose your size and whatever you need, color and everything. Now this is how we can, if you have written it in small, I have written it in small, so instead of going back again, you can select the word and then choose this option, and then you can, whatever type you want, you can do that. You can choose that option. Now I'm going to give animations to my like button, subscribe, and the bell icon. Little adjustments you will have to do. I will click on the like button, add animation, go to line, and then effect option and choose the up option. Now I will click on the red circle and drag it on top and place it in my red boxes. I will have to do red box send to back. So I will right mouse click on the red box and do send to back option. So my thumbs up and everything will come in front. Now I will choose the subscribe word and then add animation, line, and effect option will again be up. And similarly, we will hold the red. We will first click on the red arrow and hold the circle and drag it and place it inside my red rectangle. And then again for the bell icon, we will follow the same thing. Now in the animation pane, I'm going to hold the control. Over here you can see picture 1, rounded rectangle, picture 2 is written. Picture 1 is my like button, rounded rectangle is the word, and picture 2 is the bell icon. So holding the control button on the keyboard, I'm going to select individually and then right mouse button, click, start with previous. And then the rounded rectangle, I'm going to place it after 0.5 seconds. So that is why I'm going to drag the blue bar and the picture 2, I'm going to make it start at 1 second. So again, I'm going to drag it at the 1 second point mark. The red box also, if you want, you can animate. For that, you can give whichever animation you want, you can give. Over here, I'm going to give the fade option. And this, I'm going to drag it on top. And then right mouse click and start with previous. But these, now what we will have to do, we will have to change the order a little bit. So this, I'm going to click, right mouse click on picture 1 and do start after previous. So everything moves in order. Now we are going to play the full thing and see. So the like button is ready. But what we will have to do is we will have to give timing to it. Little bit of adjustments we will have to do to make it look good and perfect. Now we will have to give it some time or else it will vanish very fast. So we will go to transitions option, and over there on the side you can see it is on mouse click. You will have to give it a 5-second timing. Now we can save this, and after this you will have to save it in the MPEG 4 format. So we will first delete the previous slide, then I will go to File, Save As, choose the desktop option, whatever file name you want, and Save As type will be MPEG 4 video. Save. You can see your video is for saving in the slide is saving in the 20 format, video format. So we've come to an end of the video. If you like, please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get notification of my upcoming video.